In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Google Drive download node in N8N. By the end, you'll be able to pull a file from Google Drive directly into your workflow and use it wherever you need. All you'll need is access to your N8N instance and a Google account that can view the file you want to download. Start by heading to N8N in your browser and signing in. You can use a self-hosted or cloud instance, either works the same for this setup. Once you're in, open the editor so we can build a simple, focused workflow. Create a new workflow and give it a clear name that reminds you what it does, something like Drive, File, Download. Naming it up front helps keep things organized, especially if you end up using it inside bigger automations later. Don't forget to save as you go. Now click Add to insert a node into your canvas. This opens the node selector where you can find connectors for hundreds of apps. We're going to keep it simple and add just one node for now. In the search bar, type Google Drive, then select the Google Drive node. Once the node appears, set its operation to download. This tells N8N that we want to fetch a file and make it available as binary data in the workflow output. If you're new to N8N, binary data just means the file contents are attached to the item, so you can pass them to other nodes or download them locally. Next, connect your Google account. In the credentials section of the node, choose to add new credentials. Follow the Google sign-in prompt, review the requested permissions, and approve them. Grant only what's necessary, typically file access to the items you intend to download. After the connection is confirmed, return to the node settings and choose how you'll identify the file. You can select it by file ID or by path. If you have a share link, the ID is the long string in the URL. If your folder structure is straightforward, using a path like Reports, April, PDF can be more readable. Make sure the file is shared with your connected account if it's owned by someone else. Then execute the node. Click Execute to run just this node and watch the output panel. A successful run will show an item with a binary property representing your file. You can preview small files or download the binary to your computer from the output. If you see a permission error, double-check that the connected account can access the file and that the ID or path is correct. Large files may take a little longer. Be patient and keep the workflow open while it runs. Once you're happy with the result, save the workflow. You've now configured the Google Drive download node in N8N and verified it's working end-to-end.